Hi, this is Cobus from GFP Machinery. Just want to run you through a very nice moulder we've got on the floor. It's a Weinig Unimat Gold, one of the most popular and probably best moulders from the Weinig range. This is a 230mm wide moulder in pristine condition. Weinig is very popular for its reliability, the quality, and being a German moulder. Of course, you can't beat that. Let's open it up. This is a pre-owned woodworking moulder. We have fully serviced the machine. It will be sold with a comprehensive quality guarantee. When you buy woodworking machinery, price is always a very big factor. These Weinig moulders new are approximately 1.5 million rand and above. This machine, fully guaranteed from GFP Machines, is well under half that price. And as you can see, it is as good as new. We're going to put some wood through it for you now. Let's have a look at what it can do. And the electrical box, right? What the electrical box? Oh. There you have it, demo on the Weinig Unimat Gold. If you would like a quotation, speak to the sales team. As you can see, the machine is cutting beautifully, timber is feeding beautifully, everything is in mint condition.